Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto V on Xbox One. First, make sure your Xbox One console is set up correctly and connected to your television. Then, simply insert the Grand Theft Auto V game disc into the console's disk drive. The system will guide you through the installation process, which might take about 30 to 60 minutes depending on updates. Once installed, log in with your Xbox profile to begin your adventure in Los Santos. Now let's get familiar with the controls. The left stick moves your character, and the right stick controls the camera view. You'll use the A button to jump and the B button to crouch or perform actions. When driving, the right trigger is for acceleration, and the left trigger is for braking. To select weapons, hold down the left bumper to bring up the weapon wheel, offering many choices for combat. Grand Theft Auto V offers an expansive open world called Los Santos. Use your in-game map to find your way around this massive city. To progress the main story, simply follow the mission markers on your radar. Beyond the main storyline, there are countless side activities, from thrilling races to a relaxing game of golf. Remember, you can seamlessly switch between the three unique protagonists, Michael, Franklin, and Trevor, each with their own distinct abilities. For even more excitement, dive into Grand Theft Auto Online. You can access it directly from the game's main menu or through the character selection wheel. Here, you can team up with friends or other players in a dynamic online world. Customize your unique character, buy luxurious properties, and collect an impressive fleet of vehicles. Engage in thrilling heists, competitive races, and many other events to earn cash and reputation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.